Good afternoon, students. As you all know that we have started the chapter from the Beehive book, that is the fun they had. Okay, now this chapter is settled in the future, and it's about the schools of the past. Okay, now the characters of this chapter is Margie and Tommy. And Margie wrote a book, and she wrote a diary, and she mentioned in her diary that the Tommy found a real book. Okay, now she said that this book is about the school. So let's start our chapter. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Okay, now because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds of years ago. Now Tommy said to Margie that Tommy was looking for the superior eyes because he knew something that Margie didn't know. Okay, actually Margie don't know about the schools of the past, and he said that Margie was a silly because she don't know about the schools of that they have the hundreds and the hundreds years ago. And after he added loftily means in a superior way. Again he says in a pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Okay, hundreds and centuries ago. The schools is about the hundreds and hundreds years ago. Now Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Now Margie was hurt about Tommy's behavior, and she got curious and wanted to know about the school and what kind of school were there actually in the past. And she was imagining over there, and was thinking that in the school of the past there were a group of children in front of a man who is a teacher, and giving them education. So she said, okay, anyway, they had a teacher. Okay, a teacher means a human teacher. Okay, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Now Tommy said, sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. Okay, it was a man. Regular teacher means it may be a normal or usual teacher. Okay, so now Margie said, how could a man be a teacher? Okay, because she was thinking that the men are not intelligent as the computers. Okay, so she said, how can a man be a teacher? Then Tommy, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them some questions. Okay, a man isn't smart enough. Now he said that he gave the homeworks to the students, and asked them the question just like the computers they are taking. Okay, education they are taking from the computers. So a man isn't smart today. तो ये क्वेश्चन किसका होता है? मार्गी का. ओके, जो बिकॉज शी हैड अ डाउट. ओके, जो मैन होते हैं दे आर नॉट द स्मार्ट एज द कंप्यूटर्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाट द टॉमी सेड, श्योर ही इज sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Now the Tommy disagreed with the Margie and said, sure, the men are intelligent. Okay, because my father knows as much as my teacher. Now here teacher means the mechanical teacher. It means their computer. So he said that my father is intelligent as my teacher, as my computer. He knows just like my computer knows. Okay, so he knows almost as much. I bet. Okay, he knows as much because I can bet you. I am very sure about that. My father knows very much as the computer knows. Now Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. So Margie wasn't prepared to dispute. Dispute means to disagree with. She said, She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house. Okay, now Margie said that I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Because Tommy said that in the past they have the student children have the real teacher, a human teacher, and they they used to teach the students. Okay, so human teachers. Then the Margie said, no, I don't want a stranger in my house to teach me. Then the Tommy screamed with laughter, you don't know much, Margie. It means तुम्हें कुछ ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. The teacher didn't live in the house. They had a special building. All the kids went there. Now the Tommy said, Margie, you don't know. The teacher, they have a special building that is known as the school. Okay, special building means school, and the students used to go there to get the education, and all the kids learned the same things. Okay, now sure, if they were the same age. Okay, now the Margie again argued, not satisfied with the answers of the Tommy, that how can a human teacher can teach the student of the different age and at the